In 1969, when 33 cars thundered toward the green flag at the Indianapolis 500, this Camaro went first. The Rs/SS Z11 Pace Car Convertible, Dover White, orange houndstooth, 4-speed muscle car history at full throttle. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, you are not just looking at a classic car, you are looking at a rolling moment in American motorsports history. A symbol of speed, spectacle, and late 60s excess. A car that didn't just exist in 1969, it led the field. This is the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS/SS Z11 Indy 500 Pace Car Convertible. And yes, this is the real deal. In 1969, America was loud, muscle cars were peaking, horsepower wars were in full swing, and Chevrolet knew something important. If you wanted to dominate the conversation, you didn't whisper. You showed up front and center. So when the Indianapolis 500 needed a pace car, Chevrolet didn't send something modest. They sent the Camaro at its absolute visual and emotional peak. Finished in iconic Dover White, this Z11 pace car wears its history like a tailored suit. Clean, sharp, confident. The body lines are aggressive yet elegant. Every curve pulled tight like it's ready to launch, even when standing still. Rally Sport hideaway headlights sit flush, giving the front end that unmistakable sinister stare. And when those headlights flip open, it's pure theater. 1969 style. This is an RS, this is an SS, and this is a factory authorized Z11 pace car package. That matters. A Cummin that wears pace car stripes gets to claim real pedigree. The Z11 package was special, limited, and created to celebrate Chevrolet pacing the most important race in America. Convertible only, high impact, high presence, high stakes. Drop your eyes down the flanks and the car flows perfectly from nose to tail. The proportions are spot on, short deck, long hood, muscular hips. There's nothing wasted here. This Camaro doesn't need exaggeration. It is the exaggeration, and then there's the stance. Wide, confident, period correct. This car doesn't squat, it commands space. Now let's talk about what lives under that hood. A period correct 350 cubic inch V8, the heartbeat of Chevrolet muscle. Not overbuilt, not overdone, just right. This engine represents the sweet spot of the era. Plenty of torque, plenty of sound, and enough punch to remind you that this was never just a show car. In 1969, this engine meant business. It meant street dominance. It meant the open road belonged to you. Bolted behind it is exactly what purists want to see. A Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. That's right, 3 pedals, no shortcuts, no filters, just you, the clutch, and one of the most iconic muscle cars ever built. Every shift feels mechanical, honest, connected. This is driving as it was meant to be. Power steering and power brakes bring just enough refinement to keep it usable, while front disc brakes remind you that Chevrolet knew performance meant stopping power too. This car was engineered to lead at speed and to do it with control. But now, step inside, because this is where the magic really happens. The door opens and suddenly the world turns orange. The factory orange houndstooth interior is nothing short of spectacular, loud in the best way, iconic, instantly recognizable. This isn't a place you sit quietly, this is a cockpit designed to excite you before the engine even fires. The bucket seats wrap you in late 60s attitude. The houndstooth pattern is bold, confident, unapologetic. It screams motorsports heritage, and it perfectly contrasts the clean Dover White exterior. This interior doesn't whisper luxury, it celebrates it. The dash stretches wide and purposeful in front of you. The gauges are clear, mechanical, and honest. Every knob, every switch, every detail reminds you that this car comes from an era when driving was an event, not a background task. Drop the top, because this is a convertible, and not just any convertible. With the roof down, the Camaro transforms. The windshield frame stands tall and proud. The body line flows uninterrupted, and suddenly you understand why Chevrolet chose this configuration to pace the Indy 500. This car wasn't meant to be hidden. It was meant to be seen by hundreds of thousands of fans and millions watching at home. Picture it, Indianapolis Motor Speedway, engines roaring, crowds screaming, cameras rolling, and this Camaro leading the field, setting the tone for the fastest race on earth. That history matters, and collectors know it. That's why examples like this, very sharp, very clean, properly presented, live in a different category. This isn't just a 1969 Camaro. This is a documented, desirable, high-impact configuration that sits at the intersection of muscle car royalty and motorsports legacy. That's also why the value reflects it, with asking prices hovering between $99,900 and $95 and $100,000. This car sits firmly in blue chip territory, and honestly, that number makes sense. You're buying rarity, you're buying design at its peak. You're buying an experience that modern cars simply can't replicate. This Camaro doesn't rely on screens, software, or driving modes. It relies on emotion, sound, presence, the kind of presence that turns heads before the engine even starts. Fire it up and the exhaust note fills the air with that unmistakable small block rumble. Not overly aggressive, just confident, the kind of sound that tells you everything you need to know without shouting. On the road, the car feels alive, mechanical, engaged. You feel the pavement, you feel the steering, you feel the weight shift as you roll into the throttle. This is analog driving at its absolute best, and when you pull back into the driveway, shut it down, and step away, you look back every time. Because cars like this don't just park, they linger. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS/SS Z11 Pace Car Convertible represents the absolute peak of the muscle car era. It's when design, performance, and cultural impact collided perfectly. It's bold without being flashy, powerful without being excessive, rare without being unreachable. And most importantly, it still feels special. If you're the kind of collector who values story as much as horsepower, if you want something that doesn't just appreciate financially but emotionally, if you want a car that instantly places you at the front of the pack, this is it. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of Chevrolet's most iconic creations, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another ultra luxury classic car feature. Drop a comment below and tell me, would you drive it or preserve it? I'll see you in the next one.